हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट आप सब खैर वाफियत से होंगे सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट माय मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन एंड हियर आर सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई यूज ऑन डेली basis. So first of all, I wash my face with this avene clearance face wash. If you have oily skin, acne prone skin and you are facing some breakout issues, then this is the best suitable face wash for your skin. I take a small amount of this face wash and I wash my face while cleansing out because whenever I am using this face wash, I do not need any other kind of cleanser. After washing my face, I apply this Neutrogena spot controlling cream. I have recently purchased this cream because I was facing some acne issues and it claims that it is oil free and is for stubborn spots. So this was all about my morning skincare routine. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, share it with your friends and family and comment below on which topic you want further videos. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.